Garrett, for being with me tonight. And of course, CTHM Student Council for letting me host this night. It's truly this is really a really awesome job. And
ako din, nagpapasalamat din ako na kinuha niyo akong maging host nito. Kahit nag-OJT na ako, pinagbigyan niyo pa rin ako ng pagkakataon para mag-host para sa pageant niyo ngayon. Thank you very much.
And before I begin, I'd like to congratulate each and every candidate who are here with us tonight in front. Lahat kayo winners na in our own very eyes.
Oo naman.
Very well, and be proud to be a CTHM. Kahit hindi ako CTHM, I'm proud of you guys.
Sa lahat ng pinaghirapan at sa lahat ng support na nakukuha niyo ngayong gabi, kayong lahat ay panalo na rin, diba? Diba? Aha. Alright.
So are we ready with the results? And for your information, your crown, the new crown of CTHM, is brand new. The brand new crown of CTHM. So we got it. I think I have to go over there and check.
Sure, okay, good. Go ahead. So, kinakabahan na silang lahat. Tingnan nyo nga naman. Lahat sila magkakahawak ang kamay dahil sa dami namin ang pinaghirapan nilang lahat ng magkakasama. Tinuring na nila ang isa't isa bilang pamilya, hindi ba? Ano ba yan? So, ano ba? So, okay na?
For a while, they're just checking it twice. Because tomorrow will be the launching of the SITP. Where?
Ay, oo nga! Yes, Sir Oyo? Sir Oyo talaga.
So, everyone listen. Everyone is invited to tomorrow's DSIP
How about
launching.
just call on Mr. Oyo, get my dad to invite everyone?
And of course also to promote the big floor of SOCC.
Yes, please, come on. Alright. Come on, Mr. Oyo. Alright.
Hello, I'm Oyo, the President of the Student Organizations Coordinating Council. And we will be launching the search for the ideal Tomashan personalities tomorrow at the Tanyan KABR, 11 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. And I am inviting every CDHM student and personalities to be there to support your own candidates who would be the candidates for the CDHM part.
Alright.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rolando Ganmartan Jr.
Talagang buong-buuin. Binuo mo talaga.
Yes, of course, because he's the president of SOCC, one of the university-wide organizations in the university, and one of the best organizations. Well, of course, you hold every organization here in the university.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang situation dyan.
Of course, each and every student in the university is part of SOCC, and I'd like personally want to thank Oyo Ganmartan for doing a big and great job.
Yes. Congratulations, Mr. Oyo. Kinongratulate agad siya.
Congratulate mo siya, recommended siya, nakahagod. I think we have to interview our
Top 5.
top 5.
Ah, sige, dyan ka sa male. Ay, dyan ka sa female, ako dito sa male.
Ladies first.
Alright, sure.
How are you doing, Jasmine? Why are you okay? Why are you okay? Do you feel you'll be over there tonight? Do you feel you'll have the crown tonight?
Alright, Miss Jasmine.
Nakatawa niyo si Sita isasagot.
Alright, Mr. Nico Palma. I'm giving you the opportunity to thank anyone you want to thank. So, this is your chance.
I would like to thank my blockmates, my parents, and my brother. Thank you.
Next, we question. Do you feel confident? Good job. I think you have the confidence now. And next, yeah.
All right, Mr. Aaron Mexico, do you feel that you have any chance of winning tonight? The title, you know,
Yeah.
All right, very well said, Mr. Aaron Mexico.
Now we have Miss Bettina Hansen. So, sino mo gusto mong pasalamatan for the film?
Thank all my friends and my family, and most of all God, for blessing me with this kind of opportunity.
There you go. Thank you so much, Bettina. Thank you so much, Mahal.
All right, for Mr. Paolo, what are the things you've learned so far by joining this competition?
I learned how to be confident and how to throw myself in there.
By the way, guys, pwede na sila mag-Tagalog, hindi na graded ko.
Oo, sobrang confident niya. So, napansin mo kanina nung casual wear, ang cute ng sayaw niya. O, ikaw naman.
We have Miss Queenie. How will you celebrate your Christmas?
With my friends. Kasi po, hindi po makatapos.
Dahil dyan, piso-piso para kay Queenie. Parang nakauwi siya.
Grabe ka naman! Isagla mo na lang yung higaw para mauwi ka. Diba? Oh, yeah. Mr. Kenneth Paul Cruz. Yan. Balita ko, may laro kayo bukas.
Hindi ka agad.
Hindi ka na. So, ano ang gagawin mo para maging proud ang buong CTHM family sa team ninyo?
Bibigyan namin lahat bukas and expect nyo na magiging maganda yung laban tomorrow. Hindi na kayo sisigawan ng mga enga uuwian na nasigawan ng stories ng papugian. Mabahitan ko na. So yun, thank you sa lahat and thank you sa lahat na sumuporta. And sa
Nakakasakit kayo eh. Sa inyo lang good looking lahat. Sa inyo, si THM lahat. Wala ko lahat.
Bakit? Hindi naman namin sinabing kami lang eh. Goggles naman eh. Diba? Ano, ulitin ko lang sabi ko na audience, goggles, gwapo ka din.
Parang galing nga sa inyo eh. Maganda ka din!
Thank you! Thank you very much!
Go
Thank you! Ano kayo? Alright, thank you very much, Arian.
Yeah.
Miss Divine, Miss Ring.
Divine
Divine Grace.
Miss Divine Grace! Sino ba ang pasalamatan ko na?
Thank you. Well, I want to thank my family first, my friends, of course. Like me, I want to thank God also because for this opportunity.
Yes, goggles? Yes, goggles?
Busy eh.
Busy. All right, last but not least, Mr. Matthew Cagas. So, sa buong span ng time na sumali ka dito sa competition na to, ano yung pinakamasayang moments na naaalala mo?
Before anything else, I would like to thank yung mga class ko, like 2H3, my 4th year high school classmates, Generosity, Mr. Justin Abado for supporting and my partner, Miss Jasmine Tamayo, and Ate Ina for my fever, and most especially my mom. Thank you. And what's your question again? Happiest moments, pinaka-happiest moment ko na na-experience dito sa Situation Valdez. Kanina yung natawag yung pangalan ko, no? Pinaka-last, kasi hindi ko na-expect kanina na matatawag yung name ko. Then, surprisingly, in-expect mo eh.
Ikaw talaga.
Mommy loves you.
Mommy loves you.
And of course, we would like to thank the president of CTHM, Ms. Hope Velasco. Frati 2011.
Yes.
Edward.
Edward.
Edward Kepo.
Edward Kiko and Miss Bea Valenzuela.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Yes.
Wonderful job.
Congratulations for job well done. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
I think we are ready for the results.
Are we ready for the results? Are we?
Ready na kayo, kami.
Okay na. Ano ako na Mr. CTHM? Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Naglalamuan ba tayo? Alright, nasa na ang results? Ayoko na paghintayin ng ating mga audience.
Once again, congratulations to MGM Productions, Mark, G, and Mao.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Good
Give them a
job,
round of
guys.
applause, please.
Ayun po sila.
You want to go upstage? Congratulations, congratulations,
Ayan,
congratulations.
Ma'am, Nella, and Z. Congratulations, T3.
Kahit nag-aaway kayo maghapon,
Oo.
una na lang bago ako.
Ano ka ba naman? Huwag kang ganyan, Gogit. Ayan na, ayoko na maghintayin yung mga tao.
Si Father may game pa daw bukas.
Masarap na ng LRT nanay ko. Ano ba?
Guys, pag nanalo daw ang CTHM sa basketball, walang pasok na isang araw.
Uy!
Joke lang.
Bakit mo ba? Ikaw si Father Rector.
Kailangan manalo bukas para si Father.
Oo naman. Oo.
Si Father.
Hindi naman si Father manalo matalo. Supportive pa rin yan sa amin. Sa amin, sa amin. Sa amin.
Sige, sa inyo na si
Di ba,
Father.
Father?
May sarili kaming Father. May sarili kaming Father. There you go. Piling ko gamit kailangan natin. We will now announce. Dito na tayo galing. Hoy, pababa ng stage. Okay, let's do this.
Let's start off with our fourth runner-up male candidate. Our fourth runner-up, Okay, we are going to award our fourth runners-up. And we will first call the male candidate who bagged the fourth runner-up.
The fourth runner-up award will be presented by Mr. Edward Cable.
Alright. Our fourth runner-up male candidate is candidate number 6, John Matthew Cagas.
Congratulations. For our fourth runner-up for the female, we have candidate number 6, Selena Jasmine Tamay.